Hi! Who's live? Who's live? Who's live? Or should I ask who's alive? Who's alive? Who's alive? Because इतना डिफरेंस है सिर्फ जिंदा रहने में और जिंदा होने में. आई फील इट्स सो इम्पोर्टेंट टू नो दैट यू आर अलाइव, यू नो, लाइक यू आर फुल ऑफ लाइफ एंड आप खुश हैं एंड आप आज़ाद हैं और आप अपनी जिंदगी को वैल्यू देते हैं. सो आई थिंक आई एम हियर टुडे टू टॉक अबाउट दैट. इसके पहले कि मैं थोड़े समय के लिए डिसअपियर हो जाऊं, I thought I want to talk. Hi, Seher. I love you. Yeah, my favorite, my lip balm. Oh God, how is everybody? Wow, there are like 3,000 people. That's so cool. How's everyone doing? Seher's like alive, alive, alive. Yes, may you always be alive. Hi, my crazy lot. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for everything that you guys are always sending me so much love and positivity. So I just thought maybe I should come on this live and talk to all of you. Hi Akash, kaise ho? He's my brother. मैं आ रही हूँ, open the door. Neelu, hi Neelu. Sarah, love you too. Okay, so basically everybody knows that I am going to be a part of Bigg Boss. लेकिन किस पार्ट में या किस वजह से या क्यों ये किसी को नहीं पता है एंड मैं बोलूंगी भी नहीं क्योंकि मुझे रूल्स फॉलो करना पसंद है. तो आज मेरा ऑफ कोर्स, हाय जमान, आज मेरा प्रोमो आया एंड सब जानते हैं कि नाउ ऑब्वियसली आई विल बी अ पार्ट ऑफ बिग बॉस. Ariba, thank you so much. Arib Mohammed says something really sweet, so thank you. So I am going to be a part of Bigg Boss, but in what space, why, how, I can't tell. But I'm really excited about this. I am extremely, extremely excited. I am in quarantine right now, of course, because Bigg Boss is taking very good care that we are all safe and we have a successful show. But I just wanted to come here. Hope you rested well. Yes, I did. I've just had a shower before I sleep tonight. मैंने सोचा कि आज ये live कर लेते हैं. Only and only for one reason, that I've been getting a lot of, messages and DMs about how, hi, Anna. Oh, thank you, my Jan. Thank you. Thank you for your love. About just negative stuff. So here is my appeal to all my crazy lot. Just concentrate on the good, okay? Concentrate on the good. Remember, represent, okay? Represent with respect, represent with love, represent without hatred, support in the most positive manner, because I think it is so important for people who follow you to represent you in that manner. And अगर आप बदतमीज हैं तो आप बदतमीज ही रहेंगे. So I don't want you guys to do that. Just spread love, okay? Make sure कि आप जितना भी मुझे प्यार दें वो दूसरों के साथ दें. अगर कोई गलत भी कह रहा है उसे प्यार से समझाइए, अच्छे से समझाइए. गाली गलोच, this all of that मत करना. Just be alive and be happy and be loving, and I so appreciate so much love that I get on an everyday basis. Imagine, hi Komal, how are you? Sarah says party. Yeah, it's a big party. Yeah, I can't believe it that finally something that I love oh so much is back in my life, which is Bigg Boss. So great things are happening. In fact, जब ये सब चल रहा है, I have another project releasing. So give that also a lot of love. Hi Ashish ji. My brother, yes, I will take care of myself. तो एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट रिलीज हो रहा है बहुत जल्द. ऑफ कोर्स एक फोटो आपने जरूर देखी होगी मेरी और परमिश की, तो उसको भी बहुत ज्यादा प्यार मिला. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट एंड आई कैनॉट वेट टू वॉच दैट. आई कैनॉट वेट फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू टू सी दैट. Aneri, hi. I'm gonna call you in like as soon as this live gets over, okay? So yeah, it's just that give that project a lot of love because we've made it with so much pyar, and just be happy, spread love, don't get into rubbish conversations with anybody. There is a lot of planning and all that happening, so don't really pay attention to that. Think about who's in there, and for the love of that person, just spread love, okay? And what else? Ask me some questions. Not about Bigg Boss, about anything else. Big fan. Hi, I can't even tell you how much I thank Allah every day for all the love that you guys give me on an everyday basis, continuously for so many years. Thank you so much. Why didn't I go to Dubai? Well, I have a lot of work lined up here, and Dubai was an Atrang's project. I wish I could go because they are having so much fun. मुझे बहुत याद आ रही है उन सब की, but हमारी बात होती रहती है, so it's fine. No rubbish conversation with Rohan, okay, Komal? At Zed, somebody says, has Zed requested or what? Is he here? He's not here, guys. I can't add him because he's not here. I want to be like you, says Ghazal. That is so sweet. Thank you, Ghazal. Just be yourself. You don't have to be like me. Just be yourself. किसी से अगर कुछ अच्छा मिल रहा है तो वो ग्रास्प जरूर कर लेना. किसी की बुराई मत ग्रास्प करना. अगर कोई एक गलत इन्फ्लुएंस जा रहा है तो आप वो ग्रास्प मत करना. But thank you so much. I really appreciate what you're saying. And everybody just come on a happy, clean page, okay? Just remember that. Okay, any more questions? It's me, Ritu9 says, don't like you. Then why are you on my live, darling? I think you'll have better things to do in life if you leave my life and make your life a little more productive than actually telling me that you don't like me. But I wish you all the best and God bless you. Can we see G and Asim Riaz together? Well, I don't know. If we get something offered, then we'll definitely look at it. But I am not, nothing that has come my way yet. Hello, you look beautiful, says We Love Gaur Khan. Thank you, Nathan. Hi, Hina, how are you? Does blocking someone help? Asks Saloni. Yes, if some rubbish is coming to your life because of somebody else, then just block. All these trolls, just block, because it's not worth being unhappy or being affected by that. Just block. No new YouTube videos. It's going to come out tomorrow, guys. My new YouTube video is going to come out tomorrow or day after for sure. You have no idea how much positivity you spread. Zaman says that. That's really sweet. Thank you so much, Zaman. What's your nickname? My nickname is Gau. I guess you're new to the Crazy Lot. So my nickname is Gau. My entire family calls me that, and my Crazy Lot calls me that. So you can call me that as well. I call you, put some positivity around me. Yes, you should call me Komal for sure. Hey Gorgie, can you say my name? Pinak, what's the name? Pinakin Jagtap. Hi Pinakin Jagtap. Hi Shailesh, how are you? Hi subs, I love you. My Bhabhi's here, I love you so much. Everyone's like, love you, love you, love you. Biggest inspiration, says Devashri. That's so sweet, thank you. Assalamu alaikum Gaur. Walaikum assalam Danish. So, okay, if there's any questions, ask me now. What's your favorite color? I love all colors, but I think white suits me a lot. So these days I'm wearing a lot of white. Thanks for the question, Sadaf. Hi Suneha, Gaur Khan Squad. Hi, how are you? Your Best Big Boss moment, please. My best Big Boss moment was when I actually won Big Boss, when I lifted that trophy and I got so much love from the entire country. That was my biggest moment. Go, ma'am, love you. Stay. Say hi. Hi, if fictionista 04. Hi. Are you going to Big Boss? Well, if my promos are out, yes, I am, I guess. But in what capacity, I'm not going to say. But it's going to be very interesting, guys, this season. What happened in your finger? Which finger? Oh, I'm just holding my lip balm. Assalamu alaikum. Hi, Shakib. Walaikum assalam. Komal, so sweet. Thank you. Yeah, I love my bhabhi and my kids and my entire family. Alhamdulillah. Are you marrying Zaid Darbar? No personal questions, please. Laundry lady says, Lotner lady says, I love you. I love you too. Thank you. According to you, who's the best winner in the history of Big Boss? Apart from you, Queen. Thank you for calling me Queen. I really love Urvashi Dholakia. She was a very deserving winner. And yeah. Oh, hi. Hi, handsome. How are you? Are you willing to come on my live? Everyone's been asking for you. Okay, let me see if Zed's willing to come on my live. Let's see. This is just going to go nuts now. It's like 3,300 people and what's going to happen? Let's see. Hi, everybody. Oh, hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm
Where
good,
are you?
yeah. I'm in Dubai.
I know, but are you at shoot or what are you doing?
No, I'm leaving in a bit now. Hi, everybody. How are you?
Everyone's been asking me where you are, so I thought might as well get you on the live.
Of course, they've also seen me where I am.
Stop checking yourself out and saying what you want to do with your Okay, anyway, you want to wish me luck? I'm going and whatever.
Guys,
Don't
she's
give
going
any
to Big
details.
Boss.
Don't give
My
any
Janiman,
details.
she's going to Big Boss, yeah.
Yeah, but don't give any details.
She's not. Yeah, Baba, I know it, man. Of course, I know.
Okay, just being careful.
Even I don't know anything. What are you talking about? What
Okay,
details?
good. Yeah, good. 100
Anyway,
points for
so
acting.
I want to know. I want to know from everyone that she's going, and I know everyone's happy too. But who's upset?
Okay, but
Two.
tell me, are
I
you
love. I
enjoying?
love. I love this comment. Two positive souls love you both.
Yay.
Ashita, Avasti.
Hi
Thank you so
guys,
much,
thanks.
Ashita. You know I
Thanks
love
for
these kind of comments. Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Neelu says ha ha ha, by the way. Everyone says
Hi,
hi hi hi.
Zoeb says
Where's
Gala. Ha ha
Zoe?
ha.
I can't see Zoe.
Zoeb's there. Yeah. I see everyone.
I see Komal also. She's been here forever.
Hi,
Uh,
Komal.
yeah. Hi Zoe, where are
Forever.
you at?
He's there. I can see him. Hi, Kausarapa. Assalamu alaikum. Whenever
Cos
Kausarapa comes, I'll be like, Assalamu alaikum, Kausarapa. Kaise samli
Cospa's
hath
also
dikha?
here. Ashish is also
Uh,
here.
Ashish is also. Hi, guys. I hope you're okay. By the way, we are crossing 7,000, huh? Oh,
I
it's
know, right?
6,500 now. Yeah.
Cospa. Okay, guys. Anyway, wish me luck and just
Guys, Neelu's also here.
I know Neelu's also here. Everyone's here. Our family's here.
Everyone's here.
But
Yeah.
why is your life getting stuck, Baba? Hey, Asma is also here.
Who?
Asma. Asma is
I
also
don't know.
here, Zed.
Who?
Asad Bhai.
Asad bhai is also here. Oh, hi.
Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum, Asad bhai.
And Sabreen also. Sabreen. See, Sabreen is saying lots of love. Can you see the ID?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सबरीन आपा और मुझे पता चला आप अभी अभी आए हो इंस्टाग्राम पे स्वागत है आपका इंस्टाग्राम पे
स्वागत है. But guys, just
guys I want you all to wish luck to गौहर मैम और आप उनको बहुत सारा प्यार दो
ma'am.
उन्हें गौहर मैम ऐसे मैं बुलाता हूँ ना आपको प्यार से
I know. Asma is giving eyes. Asma is giving eyes like this, like he's watching.
बिग ब्रदर, बिग ब्रदर का काम ही होता है सब करना.
Big brother, I'm going to Big Boss. Payal is also here. Payal is also here.
Hi Payal, hi
Okay,
everyone.
so basically, I was on this live to tell everybody how it's important to just spread love, and it is going to get really crazy out there because I'm going on Big Boss after 7 years. So just everybody spread love, be positive. नफरत को भी प्यार से जीतना, and that's about it. What do you think? What do you think,
Are you
Zed?
asking me?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were asking everyone.
No, what do you think?
I think, I think, I think you're the best, and I know you're going to kill it inside. So,
Thanks. I really needed this right now, Zed.
but
Thanks for the
but
compliment.
but we all are going to miss you.
Oh, Seher is also here. Say hi to Seher. Or is she still here? This is the longest she's ever
Hi
been on a
Seher,
live.
Seher. Okay, okay. Hi Seher, I'm Zed.
You've already met her on the phone like so many times. Stop pretending.
Okay, okay, ठीक है. Of course, and I'm kidding. Kausar Appa saying you are the best, and she's saying you're the best Jodi. When will you reply to her?
Zach
She's
Cospa, you are amazing. Thank you for surprising Zed and everybody today. Seher's
Yeah,
like
we all
hi
loved
Zed.
the gift.
Seher's saying hi Zed.
Hi Seher, hi
This
Seher,
is
hi
this is
Seher,
like
hi
a
Seher.
family live. This is like a family
Yeah, yeah,
WhatsApp
it
call
looks,
happening.
it has always been a family life, na?
Yeah, I know, right? I think Vikas is also here. Is Vikas here? Vikas Gupta is here on the live. Is he? He's a
Okay, I'm gonna
darling.
I think I'm gonna make you all meet everyone then.
Okay, then say hi. Yeah, bring him.
Let's wish you luck. Let's everyone wish you luck now.
Yes, yay!
Okay, where's everyone? Fine, could you have to just pass when she's live, and you have to wish luck.
Guys!
Hi, welcome back. All the best.
Thank you!
Kill it, okay? Kill it. जो
Shadi
मैंने
also
तुमको सिखाया था ना,
लाइव लेके आ रहा हूँ.
जो मैंने तुमको सिखाया था वो जरूर करना, ठीक है? गाइस कुछ नहीं सिखाया, हम लोग टाइम पास करते रहते हैं.
Oh God, thank you, thank you, thank you. Jazakallah, thank you. Miss me, okay?
Yeah, for sure, yeah. I'm just trying to
great.
show.
Your bicep.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, very nice, Avias. It looks really good.
Yeah, I know. You want to see my triceps also?
One guest here.
Hello!
Yay!
How are ya?
It's all the best from Atrang's team too.
Yes, good luck.
One more
Ji.
person is missing. Atrang's team.
Kill
Where
it.
is she?
I know,
Okay.
I'm sure you're gonna kill it, so don't worry.
Yeah, Seher is saying we miss you already. I miss you already. I know.
Yeah, say some good dialogues जिससे हम लोग उस पे ना वीडियोस बना सकें.
हाँ, हम रील्स बना पाए इस पे.
Exclusively for Gaur Khan, okay? Oh God.
Exclusively,
We couldn't hear you. What?
exclusively for
Gaur Khan, okay?
Yes.
Exclusive.
only
Only yes.
premium
Only
content.
premium Chopard.
Okay, I love you guys. Thank you for joining in on my live.
That's from Lokan wala.
From whatever LA.
Yes, Adi.
अबे आदि अपना.
I know. Aditya Shankar.
Baba, all the best to you.
Ji, we are gonna miss you.
Bye.
Hey, Farjana is also here. Hi, Gohar, she's saying.
Hi.
I'm
Farjana.
amazed.
Farzana is
Where is she?
active
I
on.
can't see her. I can't see her.
She's saying
She-
Assalamu alaikum.
She went to
Walaikum
Aslam.
salam. I'm going to call you tomorrow, okay? Before I go.
Hey, मम्मी को बोल रहे हैं.
Neelu saying hi to you guys, by the way.
Darbar fan,
Hey.
Neelu Singh. Darbar fan.
How do you do?
Cospa, thank you.
कौशल अब हम लोग को मोटा करके भेजेंगे
हाँ.
ऑलरेडी. उन्होंने इतनी चीज बता दी क्या क्या भेजने वाले हैं.
कौशलपा फील होता है.
Kosarpa only diet.
Okay, but you guys are. Thank you so much. She says best of luck. Thank you. Acha, guys, you guys have fun for me also, okay, in Dubai.
Yes,
Everything we are doing two times. One for you, one for
one
us.
for us.
Okay, chalo, have fun. Bye.
Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye everyone. सास भी कभी बहुत. Bye Kospa. Bye.
Acha, so thanks guys. That was a crazy chat between all of my family members and you, and we were just talking as if we were on a video call. But yeah, just spread love, give each other support for everything that you guys do together. And my crazy lot rocks. Just wanted to get on a live for you guys so that you don't miss me too much. Okay, I love you. Bye. Allah Hafiz. Nothing worth having comes easy. Bye.